Hi and welcome to the first demo video for Brute Force SEO EVO 2. This video is about the static account creator. I'll start the software up and show you it loading. See here it says initialize system and checking for updates. Brute Force SEO is module driven. We have lots of different sites for lots of different accounts. RSS accounts, article directory accounts, high page rank accounts. The beauty of running online modules is if one of these sites changes their registration process or posting process, we can update our DLLs online, and every time you start it, the software checks for any changes to these DLLs and you get the most current version each time you start it. So there's no need to upgrade the software. The software updates itself, as you just saw, each time you start it. Before we start, I'll tell you a little bit about the Brute Force SEO EVO 2 software does for you. Simply put, it's an animated website creator and content distributor, while at the same time providing your money site with a ton of relevant and powerful backlinks. It creates and promotes blogs using content the software provides in the form of articles based on the keyword or keyword phrase that you would like your money site to rank for in the search engines. It then promotes these new blogs along with the URL of your money site to a massive Web2 properties around the internet and does the same very high-tech mashing and blending of these Web2 properties to provide the new blogs created and your money site valuable one-way, two-way and four-way links. Again, totally automated. So to enable the software to do this, you need a massive Web2 social accounts to post all of this great content to. Welcome to the EVO 2 static account creator. That is this here. Enter only your main account name. The software auto generates the first, last, and creates a unique default account name and password. That's pretty much it. Use the software to automatically create a free web-based email address based on this information you've provided and to register these websites with. Then the software goes out and creates this massive Web2 accounts on RSS, article directories, social bookmarking sites, video directories instantly. The software then solves all the human verification capture entries along the way. Then the software automatically confirms all the confirmation links provided by these web directories. It's pretty amazing. I will show it to you now. So once you start the software, this is the main application. First off, you need to click on this button, which brings up this. I'll just remove this data. So main account name. Really at this stage, any term is fine. I use Pete and Oz. Check Pete and Oz in Google. You'll see some of the accounts I've created. So you can choose any name. I'll go again. So I will generate a name. That one looks fine. Kitty Haskins. I'll generate an account name. Looks great. Generate a password. And then by clicking on this button, that will automatically create a Gmail account or a Yahoo account. It's really as simple as that. It will go automatically create one, solve the captures for you. Once you have done that, you click on save, and I'll show you the results here. This is one I did last night as a test. By the way, we can add more sites on the fly. These are the beta test sites. The software goes out, creates these account names, adds the password, auto solves the captures along the way. A lot of these sites require that you enter a capture entry to prove that you're human. Luckily, EVO 2 is smart enough to do that for you. Each of these sites send a confirmation email link via email to the email address you have created here. The software then goes to each of these confirmation emails and clicks on the links for you, and you end up with a result like this. So how long does it take? It takes you this long. Yep, happy with that, happy with that, happy with that. Click on the email, it takes 2 minutes. Save it to your hard drive as an account name. Click on create selected, shrink it down, and you're all done. So what's that? Under a minute. Once you have these accounts set up, you can then continue on and use this software, which is what the next video is about, and I will see you then.